calling all luxury SUV enthusiasts. The iconic Infiniti QX70 is making a roaring comeback in 2025, and whispers suggest it will be even more impressive than its predecessor. Get ready for a thrilling blend of head-turning design, earth-shattering performance, and a luxurious interior fit for a king or queen of the road. A design evolution. While details remain under wraps, rumors hint at a design evolution for the 2025 QX70. Expect the sharp lines and dynamic silhouette to be retained, perhaps accentuated with even more aggressive curves and aerodynamic elements. Imagine a futuristic take on the classic QX70, a true head-turner that commands attention wherever it goes, unleashing untamed power. The whispers surrounding the engine are particularly exciting. Speculation suggests a possible upgrade from the 2024 model's 3.5 liters V6 to a more potent 3.0T V6 engine with a hybrid assist system. This powerhouse could deliver a heart-pounding 460 horsepower and over 600 pound-feet of torque, propelling the QX70 from 0 to 100 kilometers/h in a scorching 4.8 seconds. Prepare to experience exhilarating acceleration that pushes you back in your seat and leaves you breathless. Luxurious comfort awaits. The interior of the 2025 QX70 is expected to be a haven of luxurious comfort. Imagine premium materials like supple Nappa leather and genuine wood trim enveloping you in an atmosphere of pure refinement. Advanced ergonomic seating with improved bolstering and multi-level heating and ventilation will ensure a first-class experience for driver and passengers alike. Tech on the cutting edge. The QX70 won't be left behind in the tech race. Industry insiders predict a next-generation infotainment system featuring a massive panoramic dual-screen display. Expect intuitive navigation, seamless smartphone integration, and a premium sound system that elevates every journey. Advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking are also anticipated, making every drive safer and more relaxing. When can you get your hands on it? The official release date for the 2025 QX70 hasn't been confirmed yet. However, based on industry buzz, a late 2024 or early 2025 launch seems likely. This means the wait for this highly anticipated revival won't be much longer. What's the price tag? As with the release date, the official pricing for the 2025 QX70 remains under wraps. Considering the rumored upgrades and advancements, industry experts predict a starting price that could range from $60,000 to $70,000 USD. While it might be a significant investment, for those seeking a luxurious SUV with unparalleled performance and cutting-edge technology, the QX70 promises to be worth every penny. Stay tuned for more. The 2025 Infiniti QX70 is shaping up to be a true game-changer in the luxury SUV segment. To stay updated on the latest news, confirmed specs, and the official release date, subscribe to the David Automobile YouTube channel and hit that notification bell. We'll be diving deep into everything this incredible SUV has to offer, so you can make an informed decision and get ready to rewrite the rules of the road in 2025.